Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's time for my June favorites, so these are the products that I've been absolutely loving over the past month or so. There's a few products that I keep forgetting to mention, and I finally remembered them all. And when I was sitting down and planning this video, I originally thought I only had a couple things, but as I remembered all the things that I've been forgetting to tell you about, the list got very long, so I'm gonna move quickly through this. There's a lot of products that I wanna share with you that I've really been loving. I've got some makeup, some skin things, some hair care, some lifestyle things, so kind of a little mix of everything. So let's not waste any time, let's jump right into it. I actually have 3 brow products to share with you. I know it's kind of weird because, is that a bug? There's a little gnat flying around. But anyways, I'm very loyal to my brow products. I don't normally switch up my brow routine that much, and I don't know what it was about this month, but there were 3 brow products that I have been absolutely loving, and I want to share them all with you. The first one is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Brow Pencil. I've been using this in the shade Medium Brown. This could possibly be the best brow pencil that I found at the drugstore. I also really love the CoverGirl Microfine and Define Brow Pencil, but that one, for some reason, doesn't last very long on my brows. This one lasts longer than that, so I've been reaching for this one over the CoverGirl one, which is crazy because I love that one. So this is definitely an amazing drugstore option if you've been looking for one. I've been talking about this forever, and this is one of those products that I have been meaning to share with you guys in a favorites video, but I've been obsessed with the M Cosmetics Fine Liner Brow Pencil, and the shade that I use is the shade Deep Taupe. This is also an amazing brow pencil, and it just has the most fine, precise tip that creates really beautiful hair-like strokes. I'm going to try to show you up close. I'm not sure how well it's going to pick up, but you can really see the unique shape here. I love the color of this. I love the texture of this. The shape of the pencil is amazing, so that's another one I've been reaching for. The third brow product I've been reaching for a lot this month is the new Glossier Brow Flick. I have mine in the shade brown. I'm wearing this with a little bit of the M Cosmetics pencil in my brows today. I love all 3 of these brow pencils. I know it's so crazy that I have 3 brow favorites this month, but I do, and so those are my favorites. I love this one because you can create really nice fine hair-like strokes with this felt tip, and it does not budge on my eyebrows all day long, which is really important for me since I don't really have very naturally full brows anyway, so I have to have something that's gonna last a long time in the brow. So yeah, those are my 3 brow favorites. I wanted to give another shout out to the bareMinerals Complexion Rescue Foundation Stick. This is the hydrating foundation stick, and I have been using this non-stop this summer. I've been traveling quite a bit, and I have been using this on like an everyday basis. It's what I'm wearing on my skin today, and it is so beautiful. It's so perfect for summer. It's also perfect for winter. I feel like I'm gonna use this all year round, to be honest, and I know I've already shared it in a favorites video before, but I have been reaching for it a ton, so I wanted to kind of give it a nice shout out. If you're looking for a good hydrating stick foundation, this is the one. This is probably my favorite stick foundation I've ever used. It's so good. And if you wanted to know, I'm in the shade Birch 1.5 in that. So this month I went to Walmart and I found a bunch of new Maybelline products, and this is one that I absolutely fell in love with. I tried a bunch of their new ColorTattoo cream eyeshadows. Now, the ColorTattoo eyeshadows are not necessarily new, but they recently revamped the color range and maybe tweaked the formula. I don't really know, but I cannot stop wearing these, and I especially can't stop wearing this shade right here. This is called Socialite. I have this on my lids, and I have another product that's glittery on top, but Socialite is just a pretty rose gold that's really perfect for every day. It does have a bit of shimmer in it, so if you don't like shimmer for every day, you might not like this for an everyday basis. I personally don't mind having shimmer on the eyes on an everyday basis, but they also have a bunch of matte shades and other metallic shades as well. But this one, for some reason, I absolutely love. In the past, I haven't really used too many cream shadows just because I always feel like it's an extra step. And for me and my eye shape, I always feel like I have to set it with something. For some reason and somehow, this formula does not crease on my eyelids, which is crazy because almost every eyeshadow creases, especially cream eyeshadows. So I have been obsessed with that. The next eye product I've been loving is the glitter I was just talking about. Urban Decay recently expanded the shade range in the heavy metal glitter eyeliners, and these are my favorite. This bronze one is so beautiful. I used it in a tutorial earlier this month, and it just creates the most beautiful bronzy eye. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is in the shade Starfire, but today I mixed these 2 shades right here called Volume and Disco Daydream. So I kind of did like a pink and silver combo, and I absolutely love these. I like them because you can use them all over the lid, or you can kind of do more of a precise application. This is what the brush looks like, so if you want to, you can literally use it as a glitter liner, or you can kind of stagger it all over the lid, and that creates more of this effect. So I've been absolutely loving these new shades. Had to share them with you. They are so good. Next up, I've been loving this mascara. I know you've probably heard me talk about it quite a bit this month, but the Nabla Cosmetics Major Pleasure Mascara makes my lashes so massive, and for some reason, my lower lashes especially really work well with this mascara. If you don't know yet, I love a mascara that kind of has a little bit more of a clumpy, volumizing effect. So this one, L'Oreal Lash Paradise, CoverGirl Exhibitionist, all of those kinds of formulas are my personal favorite for my lashes, and I just love this. This does not smudge or flake on me either, which is something that I always look for in a mascara. It is so beautiful, and I've been packing this in my makeup bag every single time I travel. I love to wear it on an everyday basis, but then I also love to layer it up on more glam days, so it's just an amazing mascara. I love it. Let's talk about lip products. I cannot get enough of the NARS oil infused lip tints. They came out with a few shades, but I absolutely love this nude shade called Primal Instinct. This formula is so wonderful. It makes your lips feel so soft and nourished and juicy, and then it just tints the lip with a little bit of color. I'll swatch it for you so you can see. Here's what it looks like on my hands. So obviously it's just a very sheer nude, but on an everyday basis, this is perfect. I actually had to go grab this out of my purse upstairs because I cannot stop wearing this. It's just such a good go-to nude color. I feel like I could even apply it without looking in a mirror and I know it's gonna look good. It's just one of those kinds of lip products that's just fuss-free and really hydrating, but kind of gives you a little bit of color so that it brings life back to the face. I love this. It's so amazing. I need something to wipe off this swatch here, but I ran out of tissues. Okay. I just wiped it off with my sponge. I don't know if that worked very well. Okay, next I want to tell you about a bullet lipstick that I absolutely love. Okay, listen, I kind of need to back up a little bit and do a little bit of a disclaimer because I did work with L'Oreal on an Instagram post talking about this lipstick. Now, this is not sponsored. L'Oreal does not know I'm going to talk about this, but I had to put it in my favorites video because this lipstick is so beautiful and I haven't had a chance to use it in a tutorial this month. I was meaning to. It's the lipstick that I'm wearing on my lips. Does this not look like I have a lip liner, lipstick, and a gloss layered on top of each other? Well, listen. I don't. It's just one, and this is so beautiful. This shade, oh, I'm obsessed with it if you can't tell. So this is a limited edition color Riche lipstick from L'Oreal, and this is in the shade Nude After Party. You guys, here, I'm just gonna layer it on top of what I've got so far. It is such a good one and done wearable metallic lipstick. I cannot get enough of this. The peachy pink undertone with the gold shift is just so beautiful, and like I said, it makes my lips look like I have a liner, lipstick, and gloss on all at once, but it's just this. I love this so much. I will say because there are visible flecks of glitter in it, you can kind of feel it when you rub your lips together, but it's not too crazy and it doesn't bother me that much. But this shade, it's so good, you guys. Also, mine's pretty worn in at this point, but it has really pretty star imprints on the sides. I also wanted to mention it because it's limited edition and it's available only in stores at CVS. So you have to go in stores to find this, but I wanted to tell you because it's worth going into a CVS and finding this, okay? And for those of you who are wondering if it smells the same as the other Color Riche lipsticks, it does. I know some people don't mind the scent and some people absolutely hate it, so I wanted to throw that out there. For me personally, I actually don't mind it that much, but yes, it does smell like all the other classic Color Riche lipsticks from L'Oreal. Earlier this month, I went to New York and I found the Sephora and I picked this up. You guys already know I've been loving the grapefruit version of this. It was in my last favorites video. This is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm and I picked up the shade Pear. The grapefruit one has more of a pink tint, so as far as looks go, I feel like I reached for the grapefruit one quite a bit, but I've been loving this equally. I love the flavor of this. I love how it tastes. I love how it smells. It's just so pretty and it has more of a clear finish, so if you're into more of a clear lip glowy balm, this would be a great one. I've just been so into the formula. I feel like eventually I'll own every color that they make because they're just that good. But yeah, this also makes it into my purses along with the grapefruit one. It's just a good go-to lip balm that looks like a gloss but doesn't feel sticky. It's beautiful. All right, so those are all my makeup products. Let's move into hair care. Okay, I have been dying to put this in a favorites video for the longest time because I've been using this for several months behind the scenes. Some of you may have heard me talk about it in a recent video this month. And this is another one of those situations where in that video, I did partner up with Brio Gio to tell you about this product. This video was not sponsored. They did not ask me to talk about this in my favorites video. I just had to share it with you guys because this has been such an amazing shampoo, especially for summertime. It's the Brio Gio Be Gentle, Be Kind Banana and Coconut Nourishing Superfood Shampoo and Conditioner. They extended the family. The original one that they came out with in the Be Gentle, Be Kind Superfood collection was the Kale, Apple, and Matcha Shampoo and Conditioner, which I still use and still love. This one smells like a literal vacation. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. My husband is also obsessed with it. It is just so great. Not only does it smell good though, but it works on my hair. I love how my hair looks and feels when I use this shampoo and conditioner. And like I said, I've had the opportunity to test it out for the past couple months, which is why so much of it is used. And I've really noticed a difference with these, you guys. I had to mention it in this favorites video because it's just so fun for summer. So if you're looking for a new shampoo and conditioner, you want to spice up your routine, you should definitely check these out. And also, if you didn't know, Brio Gio is a 6-free hair care line. So there's no sulfates, parabens, silicones, phthalates, artificial dyes, or DEA. So if you're just looking for something that's a little bit more natural with really nourishing and wonderful ingredients, this is fabulous. And earlier this month when I partnered with them, they gave me a coupon code. It's not an affiliate code, it's just a gift from Brio Gio to you. It's just my name, Allie, in all caps. I will have it linked down below if you guys want to try it out. And the coupon code is good for 20% for a limited time. I'm honestly not sure at all how long that will last. After the 20% time frame expires, I guess, it will go back down to 10%. So again, I'll have everything linked down below for you guys. And hopefully the 20% is still working. If not, you'll get 10% off. So that's that. I also have another thing from Brio Gio that's not a hair care product, but I have been absolutely loving these, and I also travel with them everywhere. It's so convenient and I just absolutely love it. So this right here is a Brio Gio pin tin. It's the cutest little tin, and inside are gold bobby pins. How cute are these? Not only do I love these because they're gold and that just adds something really fun to the hair, but this tin that it comes in, you guys, okay, I can't even tell you how many times I've bought myself a pack of bobby pins and then they slowly disappear in the depths of my hair drawer. This tin has really changed the game, and I actually put the bobby pins back in here and it helps prevent losing them. It's such a game changer and it's such a simple little thing, but I have absolutely loved this. And also, since I've been traveling quite a bit, I will just take this whole thing and stick it into my toiletry bag or into my makeup bag, and I've got my bobby pins. It's just brilliant. I've absolutely loved those as well. Okay, I've also got a hairbrush to share with you guys. I've been really loving a lot of different hairbrushes. I really love the wet brush. I also love the Tangle Teaser, but this brush is just so good. I actually received this in a PR package from Sunday Riley. They did this travel package, and this was in it. I tried to pull out as much hair as possible, you guys, but it's a hairbrush, so sorry if you see my hair in it. But this is the Harry Josh Pro Tools hairbrush, and it is so good. For my specific hair type, I absolutely love this when I'm wearing my hair down. There's something about the bristles in here that really work when I brush through my hair, and with my hair it helps tame flyaways. It makes it look so soft and so shiny. I love this brush. I don't use this to brush out tangles. I'll use my wet brush or my Tangle Teaser for that kind of situation on wet hair, but if I'm blow drying my hair, I like to use this. And also if I just want to smooth out my hair, especially when I'm wearing my hair straight, this is amazing. And to be honest, I've heard really good things about Harry Josh products, but it's very pricey, so I never like splurged on it. But now I'm ruined because Sunday Riley sent this to me, and I feel like I will forever use this brush. It is so fabulous. All right, let's talk about some skin stuff. It's not necessarily products, but I've absolutely loved this. I picked this up on Amazon about a month and a half ago. This is the Pure Daily Care facial steamer. It is so fun to do at-home spas with. If you guys don't know, over the past year, I've gone and seen an esthetician for my skin, and for certain treatments, she will use a facial steamer on me. It's more professional than this. It doesn't look like this. It's more overhead because I'm laying on like the table, but this one is like an at-home version of that. So all you do is you fill this up with distilled water. You don't want to use tap water because it can ruin the machine, so you want to buy like a gallon of distilled water, and then you just turn the dial to the facial steamer setting, and it will heat up the water and steam will come out, and you just kind of put your face over it. You don't want to get too close to it because it can get kind of hot, but I just let my face sit in the steam for several minutes, and it opens up the pores, which just feels really amazing. And then it's also great to go in with a mask right after while your pores are open. So I will either do that and then put a clay mask on, or sometimes I will steam my face. And then it actually comes with this right here, which have a bunch of of blackhead extraction tools. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but here's what's inside of this. So while your pores are open, it makes it so easy to remove blackheads, and I've noticed a big difference in the blackheads on my nose and forehead being reduced quite a bit when I use this. I've just really enjoyed it, and it honestly is not crazy expensive. I've seen other facial steamers out there like on Sephora and stuff that are crazy expensive, and I never thought to look on Amazon, and I'm so glad I did because this has been absolutely fabulous, and it just makes you feel like you're at a spa at home. So if you're a skincare junkie and you love face masks, or if you want to remove your blackheads or whatever, you must look into this. It is so great. At the same time I bought the steamer, I also bought a set of spa headbands. It comes in many colors. I will have these linked down below, but I love the material of these, and it's just really nice when you're doing face masks or anything to the skin. It helps to pull the hair back, and I just really like the fabric of these, so I thought I would mention the spa headbands, and I'll have those linked down below because I use these every time I use the facial steamer, so I love those as well. All right, next I have a nail polish brand that I have become absolutely obsessed with. It's called Olive and June. And a couple months ago, they sent me like a package with one nail polish color and a bunch of tools, and I just became obsessed with it. I went on their website and I purchased pretty much the rest of their colors and then some nail art stickers, which I'm gonna show you. These are just a couple of the colors, but look at the packaging. I brought a bunch of them actually. They're so pretty, and these are the colors that you've been seeing me wear over the past month or so in my videos. The color I'm wearing today is not Olive and June. I painted my nails this color because we had family pictures over the weekend, and so I wanted to kind of keep with that color scheme. But these have been so fabulous. They take a little bit longer to dry than some of my other favorite nail polishes, but once they dry down, it acts almost like a gel nail polish. It lasts so long, and the color range is fabulous. Also, they sell this right here, which is called the Poppy, I believe. All you do is take the cap off the top like this, and there's actually a lot of nail polishes out there that have this, and then you put the Poppy on top, and it just gives you so much more control when you're painting your nails. I think it's absolutely brilliant. I love all the colors they've created so far. And then they also have some nail art stickers. It actually got wet in the box that I carried down here because the facial steamer spilled everywhere. I should have emptied the water out of it, but I didn't think about it. So hopefully these are still okay. But I love this set right here. This is the fruit salad set. And then this is the cherry on top set. It has really cute ice cream cones and things like that. So I've just loved this brand. Everything about it is amazing. I've been loving the formula of these polishes and also the color range, like I said. So I had to share that with you as well. I have two random things I want to share with you. The first one is the Flamingo razor. I recently saw this at Target and picked it up after my sister recommended it to me. This is just the box. The razor's in my shower. I didn't feel like bringing it down here. But if you've ever heard of Harry's razors, which are like the facial razors for men, this is their sister brand, and it's razors for women. And I love it. The design is beautiful. I get such a close shave with this as well. I also purchased their shave gel recently, and I've been really enjoying using the two together. So I wanted to mention that as well, especially since it's summer and we're all wearing shorts and swimsuits and things like that. A good razor is always a must, so next time you're in Target, definitely check these out. They have really cute colors. I personally really love the lavender one, but I wanted to tell you about that. And then also, the other one, I'm gonna have to insert some footage. I have been so in love with my Click and Grow. That was another gift that I received in PR, but it has brought me so much joy. It's like this little mini garden, and I've been growing my own basil for the past couple months, and I have thoroughly enjoyed it, you guys. It is so much fun. If you've been following me on Instagram, you've probably seen the progress of this already, but all you have to do is plug it in, and it has a timer where the light will be on for 14 hours, I believe, and then it turns off automatically. All you have to do is make sure there's enough water in the tank, and basil grows. You can also go on their website and buy a bunch of other vegetables and fruits and herbs. So after I'm done with the basil, I'm gonna go on their site and try some other fruits and things like that. They have strawberries, and they also have kale, I believe. But anyways, it's kind of more of a lifestyle thing, and it's something that I had never heard of before. But now that I own one, oh my goodness, I've been recommending it to people. I feel like it's gonna make a really great gift for Christmas for certain people in my life who love to cook or who love to garden or things like that. I just love it, you guys. So I wanted to mention that at the end of this video, but that completes all my favorites. It's so crazy because I originally thought that this was gonna be a really short video, but it's probably gonna be pretty long. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. All these things I've been absolutely loving this month. As always, leave a comment down below letting me know what you've been into this month. I love to hear what you guys are loving because I love to run out and try all the products that you guys love. I trust your recommendations. So let me know in the comments below. If you're new here, hi, my name is Allie, and I would love for you to join the family. You can do so by hitting the subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber but you want to be notified on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays when I upload, click on the bell after you subscribe and you'll get a notification every single time I post. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.